Good morning, guys. Here we've got POCO M6 Pro, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First, open your phone dialer, then enter your keypad, and here you can provide secret codes. The first one, the shortest one, is *#, 06#, and here we've got device information like email and serial number. Tap on OK to exit, and another code that you can use is *#, 225, #**. And here we've got calendar info, so as you can see, all upcoming events from every calendar that is connected with my accounts saved on this device would be displayed right here. Let's go back, and the last code that I would like to show you is *#, 426, ***. And here we've got diagnostic mode, in which you can see events and status. And if you'll tap on more icon, you can enroll advanced view. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.